So in the table, we have grades for our 5, and we have a student table, and I added 2 more, so we have 7 now. We have Simpsons, and we have Jessica Simpson and John Smith. But if you notice, we only have grades for the first 5. 2 of them didn't show up for my exam, for my class. They don't have grades. If we do our join, I'll bring it back up again. If we do our join, we join them on the column that they're the same on. So we have student name, grades, the 2 tables. I called it S for student, G for grades, and we do S. The student ID equals G at student ID. So they have a common column. This could even, it doesn't even have to be called the same word. This could be called ID, and it would still be okay because it's still common. We hit go, and then what we see is the other 2 people, Jessica Simpson and John Smith, are not showing because they're not in both tables. They're only in one of the tables. But what if we wanted them to be displayed? I want them to be displayed. I just want to see that they don't have grades. So we could do here, because they're in the student table and not in the grade table. So let's do a left join from, I'll put it in caps. So you have left join, and instead of where, it's on. So here, student left join. So then if it's in the left, which is the student, it will still show up. Let me show you. So now if you go to my results, you'll see they're listed. Now it's null because they don't have grades. They're not in the grade table, but at least they show up on my roster and they're still here. So you could do something like this if you wanted everyone to show up. And vice versa. If, let's say, you had some in the grades table, but they weren't in, then you could do a right join. If they were in the grades table, but not in the student table, and you want it, we don't have that case. So it won't, if we did it, it's just going to show. So because we don't have anything in the grades that's not in the student. We have it the other way, which is why I'm doing a left join. But if I had the word the student, or if I had the student table here, then I would do a right join. It depends on what's on the left and what's on the right. But since I have students that I want to show up that are not in the grades, I'm going to do a left join, and then it gets displayed over here.